Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and today I am going to show you how I am going to embellish a memory dex card. And I am using this paper pad from Michael's Craftsmith is the brand, and I already pre-cut the paper. So I'm using one of these tags, memory dex cards from Heidi Swapp. I do not have the punch, so I'm buying the cards. And then I'm also using the Paper Studio Ombre Grosgrain ribbon. It's just beautiful. Got these at Hobby Lobby. Very colorful. Also using these stickers that I purchased from Michael's. They are unicorn, cool. I love it. And this is one of the tissue paper flowers that I put together. And from Queen and Company, I'm getting one of these delightful hot pink doilies. I'm also going to use the fabric tag as the adhesive. So let's start the process. So I already pre-cut the paper, so I am going to glue it. I am going to use a fabric tag glue. Just put it on the edges a little bit, not too much. Okay. Let's put this together. And here we go. Now the second step is I am going to glue the ribbon. So I want the ribbon here as a baseline for the other embellishments. Put that here. Oops. Okay, just love this ribbon. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Goes along with the unicorn theme. And I cut this You Are Magical from the same paper pad, and it is, look at this, beautiful. So I cut one section, and I am thinking that I'm going to put my sentiment to the, I'm gonna cut it a little bit more so it's even. Probably over here, like that, and then probably put this flower here, glue this one on top. So you see the, and then this unicorn like right here. Well, yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. So let's glue the sentiment. I just love this sentiment here. Let's put the unicorn. Unicool. I just love it. He is so cute. He's just a cutie. Okay, let's put this cutie here. And then I was thinking probably put something there, but no, we need some more soft big layer. Probably, I was thinking probably I will put this one here, this big one, and then the rainbow around here like this. And then let me see if this is too much. Yeah, I just want to soften that. So unicorn is off center. Maybe you can put it like that. I just want to get, I just want to use these tissue paper flower over here so it's like soft. I'm thinking maybe I should put like a little pearl or some other, oh, no, we need color over there. We need something like this. Okay, so I am going to put this doily there. Just glue it over there. And then probably these totes. Okay, so it will look like this. Big rose, rosette with a doily, a unicorn sticker, rainbow sticker, your magical, the ribbon, and the paper. So this is it. This is very simple and plain to do. I use a lot of ribbon, stickers, embellishments that I had in my stash. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and make a comment. Thanks and have a wonderful day. Bye.